Good morning, everyone. Today I'm teaching you fractions by using the pattern blocks. Today's learning target is the students able to recognize a unit fraction, write down a fraction portion of their whole pattern block design, describe how they obtained their answers. Alright, so I have some pattern blocks in this basket and I need one student to pass the pattern blocks to each of the student, please. Yeah, go ahead. Alright, so I have some pattern blocks here and I'll show you what these shapes are. This is the hexagon. This is the yellow one is a hexagon and you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shape of the hexagon. The red one is a trapezoid. This is not the equal shape, the red one, and the 4 shapes but not the equal. This is the trapezoid. That is a rhombus, the blue one. You see the 4 edges, that is rhombus. And the green one is a triangle that you guys know already, the 3 edges, the 3 corners, that's called a triangle. Alright. Okay, so now I will show you some patterns and you guys will tell me these patterns shows the equal shares or not. Okay, and the equal shares mean it fills up the whole part of the hexagon, right? So I will show you the certain designs of the rhombus and trapezoid and the triangle that you guys are already having, and you guys can try by yourself too and tell me that these patterns that I'm showing you, it shows the equal share or not. So the first of all, I will show you the 3 rhombus. So you guys first need to concentrate over here and then you guys will try later. So that is the first rhombus, the second one, and that is the third one. So this is the 3 rhombus. Is it equal? It shows the equal shares or no? 1, 2, and 3. Who will tell me? Okay, you tell me. Yes, it shows the equal shares because it covers the whole hexagon, right? And now I'll show you the another one. I will use the same hexagon and use the 3 triangles on it. So the 1 triangle, and that's a 2 triangle, and that is a 3 triangle. So make sure that will not drop. Actually, these are 3 triangles. If you see 1 triangle, 2, and the 3. And you tell me these 3 triangles covers the whole hexagon or no? Okay, you can tell me. No, it doesn't cover the whole hexagon. It covers the half of the hexagon, right? If you will see, it covers the half of the hexagon. So it doesn't show the equal shares. Okay, now you guys see your pattern blocks and tell me which shape covers the half of the hexagons fully. So go ahead and see your shapes. Okay, all the shapes, yeah, touch and then tell me which shapes equals the half of the hexagon. Wait, who will tell me? Raise your hand, please. Yes, you will tell me, please. Trapezoid. Yes, the trapezoid fills the half of the hexagon. Your answer is right. And if you will see, this is the red is the trapezoid and the yellow is the hexagon. And it fills the half of the hexagon. That's right. Alright, now you guys need to get your math journal and write down the equal shares into a new page, right? And you guys know that the hexagon signifies the whole, right? This hexagon signifies the one whole, right? And your assignment is to make the partition of the hexagons into the equal parts as much as you can. So you will This is the hexagons, and you will make the equal parts like that. You can make the half, you can make the 4 pairs, you can make the 6 pairs or the 8 pairs, and whatever the pairs you can make, but make sure you guys make the equal shares of the hexagon, right? And okay, track record your results in your math journal. If the hexagon represents the whole, this is the yellow hexagon, it represents the whole. So tell me the one trapezoid represents. So what fraction of the whole to the one red trapezoid represent? This is the one trapezoid. So how it represents on the hexagon? If the hexagon represents the 2 equal sizes of the pieces, it means that 2 trapezoids represents the one hexagon. Then if we wrote the one of the part of the hexagon, one of the number of the part of the hexagon, so that will be 1/2, right? That will be 1/2. If we write the 2 pieces of the whole, that would be 2/2, right? So that's I showed you the one part. If I show the one part of the hexagon and the one trapezoid that covers the one part of the hexagon, that will be the fraction we will write down 1/2. That's the fraction 1/2. If the 2 pieces will be covered, the hexagons, the true trapezoid will cover the hexagon, so the fraction will be, the 2 pieces will be 2/2 in the 2 pieces, and the whole piece will be the yellow. That the fraction will be 2/2. All right, one student needs to pass out the whiteboard and the markers to everyone, please, and the erasers too. Okay, now everyone has the whiteboards and the markers, and this is the fraction that you guys need to draw the picture here and tell me how you will show this fraction on the whiteboard. The first one is 1/2 and the second one is 2/2. So you guys need to draw a circle or a triangle, or you guys can draw a rectangle and show me the portion of 1/2 and 2/2. All right, so now you guys show me, hold the whiteboard in your hands and show me what you guys did. Everybody show the whiteboard in your hand up, and I will see what you guys did. Yeah, most of them did great job actually. Yeah, that's good. So now I show you what the correct answer is. So by the 1/2, you have to fill up the half part of the diagram, right? Have to color the half part of the diagram that show 1/2. And for the 2/2, you guys need to fill up the both sides of the diagram to show 2/2, right? So this is the one part and this is the 2 parts. One part color to the whole of the circle, and this is the 2 parts color to the 2 parts of the circle. So that is the fraction. You guys, great job, did very good job, and thank you very much.